Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Framework 12-inch stylus. I am very excited for this. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. And we get stickers. Look at that. Now we did get the sage color of the Framework 12-inch laptop, but we were not quick enough to get the pen of that color. So we settled for the gray option. And it's not too bad. Right here we have the extra stylus tips. Now, some fun things about this. This has over 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is outrageous. And here are the extra stylus tips. Comes with 2 extra ones, so that's 3 total, which is very impressive. Picking this back up, it has 2 programmable buttons, so you could customize that to be whatever you want it to be. USB-C charging. Cable not included. And the overall style of this is very impressive. And also, it has a 80 million battery that is both rechargeable and removable. I'm very excited to test this thing out. So let's do that. We got our 12-inch Framework laptop here in the Krita software. And oh, wow. I like this a lot. It's very intuitive. Wow. The bottom button being erase and the top button by default pulling up your palette. I am very impressed. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll be sure to answer them.